Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can upload digital products to Shopify and sell them on your store. So let's get right into it. Now, this is really easy to do. It's pretty much as simple as uploading a new product, and once you're uploading it, you just need to designate that it is not a physical product, and then you'll be able to sell it as a digital product, and people will be able to buy it from your store. And I'm not sure exactly how you would sell it, if you upload a download or if you give them a link. I forgot that part, but I do know how to set everything up. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to upload the product, and you do so by going into products and clicking add product into the top right. Here you can just title it whatever you want. I'll just title it file. The status can be active or draft. Add a description. You can upload media. As you can see, it accepts images, videos, or 3D models. And as you can see, you can set the category, which is automatically set, in this case to computer software and software. You can set the pricing. I'll set it to 15, and inventory will be stocked at multiple locations, so you can just keep that in check, and you can uncheck track quantity because you won't have quantity of a digital product unless you have a limited edition, in which case you will. Once you're done with that, just uncheck this is a physical product, and as you can see, it just removes all the other options. And you can also add category meta fields if you want to, and you can also add other sort of variants, and that is pretty much it. You can select the sales channels which it'll be on, and once everything is good, you just click save, and now your product is saved. And now by all accounts, that product is a digital product, and you can upload, I'm pretty sure, a file over here which people will be able to download, or you'll be able to just send them a link once they enter their information, and that should be it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.